At Bellemain, our purpose is to make everything you do fun, easy, and beautiful. That's why we've designed squeeze bottles to store your favorite ingredients. The 1¼ inch wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a bottle easy every time, and the included collapsible funnel means there's no mess. Our lids feature an easy cut tip, so our bottles can handle any liquid, no matter how thick or thin. And our included tip cover preserves contents in between uses. 2 full rows of threading make these bottles virtually leak-free. Our bottles come in multiple sizes and include 8 peel and stick labels and an erasable marker, so you can keep your kitchen organized. Our bottles are thicker than others, and the dishwasher-safe plastic can withstand temperatures from -150 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, so they can stand up to even the most demanding jobs. Whether you're storing oils, sauces, or frosting, our squeeze bottles are a perfect fit for your kitchen needs. The bottles even work outside the kitchen. They're perfect for arts and craft supplies, soaps, and many other uses. For a simple, professional look, choose Bellemain.